Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm gonna exactly learn and show you exactly how to run an awareness campaign in Facebook. Okay, so without further ado, let's move into it. So you can see, if you go to the business.facebook.com, you will see your pages look like that. And if you don't have any page, first of all you have to create a page, then later on you have to go here to and connect your page like that. Okay, so first of all what you have to do is basically on this to a business site, business suite, business manager. So you will see notification, planner, content. So let's click the notification and you will see all the notification here, and let's click the planner and you can see all the planner here and schedule, something like that. That's not too much big thing to learn about that. So that's the content. You will be able to see your content here. So this is the stories, feed, grid, all your page content will have on over here. Okay, so playlist and stories, videos you can cross post. Okay, so that's the insights. So if you click here and then you can explore, this is self-explanatory. You can explore like how much reach you got on this week, last week. And at the inbox you can see all the inbox of your page. Okay, so if you get any message, then you will see on over here. Okay, that's the main thing, guys. And there's the monetization. You will see your page monetization. That's not learning too much thing, so you can explore by yourself. This is the self-explanatory thing. So I will click the ads, and from this ad you can run a specific ad for with specific people. And I will go to the ad manager. To go to the ad manager from page, you have to click the ad manager, and it will to redirect to the ad manager. So from here we can run ads campaign like awareness campaign, sales campaign. So previously I have learned a few campaigns, so for the test purpose I will delete them because that's no need for now. So basically I will click the delete and then it will be delete from here. Okay, so let's click the delete. So you can see that's total blank and fresh, they don't have anything. So we have a three option like campaign, ad set, and also ad. Okay, so under the campaign we can run a specific campaign. Under the ad set we can target, and the under the ad set we can like duplicate any ad set. Like under this ad set we can add creative, we can duplicate multiple ads. Like if you have a $20 budget, so you can spend $20 budget with multiple ads, so which ads performing well, and then we will keep going with this ad. Okay, that's the main thing. So to create ads, so first of all let's go to the campaign, and then I will click the create campaign. So I already promised you that I will learn more and then show you exactly awareness campaign. And then also I will take help from ChatGPT, because 99% people cannot use AI. That's why they are getting behind from other people. So I will also show you exactly how you can use AI, and I will click the awareness. And for the awareness campaign, what is awareness campaign? So awareness campaign is show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. Okay, that's the main things. Like suppose in this case, and for the awareness campaign, this is good for reach. Like if you want to reach your brand and brand awareness, you can also do that. Like you want to reach your brand, all the people, you can do that. And then video views, if you have a specific views, you can increase your video views, you can use that. And suppose, and another thing is store location awareness. So if you already have a store but people don't know about your store, you can increase your store location awareness. That's the thing. So let's step by step go with it. Like reach means number of people who may be interested in your brand. So if you are still want to learn more, you can click the learn more, and then you will see the option. What about that? What is the reach option? Why reach option? About reach option you will be able to learn everything. So for example, about the reach objective in Meta Ads Manager, the reach objective was designed to help create campaign that help maximize how many people show your ads how often. Okay, so how do I create campaign for reach? And there is a step-by-step guide you can read from here. So let's read that, that will be easier for you. The original 11 ad creative is Meta Ads Manager have been simplified into 6 better align with your business goal. Okay, so you can learn more from here. So basically that's the important, what is the why we should use the awareness campaign. So they mentioned the reach objective was designed to help create campaign that can help maximize how many people saw your ads and how often, কতবার. Okay, so that's the thing. So now let's move into the brand awareness. If I click the learn more, and then you can learn more from over here. So yeah, so but for the brand awareness objective for campaign where you want to show your ads people who most likely remember them. Okay, So that's the thing. Choose awareness objective if you want increase brand awareness and or change brand perception, and show your ads as many people in your audience as possible. Like you want to show your brand to other people, that's why you can use brand awareness. And video views, if I click learn more, I will also see this. The video views objective was designed to help create campaign that increase your place of your video ads. Okay, so that will increase your campaign, that will increase your views. That's the thing. Store location, if I click learn more, then we will see the option about the store traffic objective and meta ads manager. This store traffic's objective was designed to help create ads and can increase store visitors and boost store sales. And an example shops, restaurants, dealership, and Gaians and salons. Okay, so we can use this. So let's read again. That's really important. 99% people exactly don't know the right thing. That's why they are failed. That's why they are spending a lot of money on the ads. By the end of the day, they are not getting any results. That's the thing. So this store traffic objective was designed to help create ads. You can increase your store visitor. You can increase your store visitor and boost store sales at. Okay, so you can also as well as store sales. And for example, shops, you can, for the shop, people want to buy product, you can use the awareness campaign for the shop shop awareness. Okay, that's the thing. Let's continue and then we'll learn more about that. Okay, so finally we are here. So we will give our campaign name, which is the creative web beat boost first campaign. So this is an agency name, Creative Web Boost, and then I mentioned the first campaign so that I can easily remember whenever I come back again. So here we can see the special ads categories. So declare if your ads are related to finance, product and service, and employment and housing and social issue and election of politics and requirements and differ by country. Learn more special ads category. So if you click the learn more, then we will be able to learn more about the special category. If you have any confused, you can also watch the video from here. That's too much big blog, so let's wear a couple of lines, then you will understand. Okay, so as a part of our ongoing effort to promote fairness on our advertising platform, we have introduced a new special ad category. So financial product or service, or for advertisement promoting financial product and service, and starting January, and these categories in required financial product and service. And okay, suppose you don't understand, okay, so you can copy that and you can go to ChatGPT, because I already told you that I will also take help from ChatGPT. So I will click here, I will go to the ChatGPT. Okay, so can you I will training. First of all, you have to training ChatGPT. That's really important. Can you teach me FP ads, let's just for training. So he gonna say, yeah, of course, what kind of thing you want to learn first, let's explore, blah blah blah, lot of stuff. Okay, so can you explain? So I'll mention it. So can you explain? He gonna explain this. Why? What about that? Okay, so what is the special category? Okay, so that's exactly a special category is specifically labeled for most choose your Facebook, Instagram about their certain sensitive topic. Those categories help Meta and protect user from discrimination, increase transparency, and comply with the law and countries like USA, Canada, and others. What is the ad special ads category? Financial product and new update, employing and housing and social issue and lot of stuff. Okay, so you can learn more this way exactly. So pro tips, and does this ads related housing, employment, and I can say yes. If I say, if you say that this is related like housing, employment and finance, I can say yes. I can copy it. So you have to use ChatGPT the right way. So I will paste it and then I will say yes. Okay, so let's see what ChatGPT suggested. Perfect. Since your ad just related on the add categories, and here's the exactly you need to know step by step. Go to ad manager Facebook and click the create ad campaign and traffic and conversation. Don't worry, add special ads, it doesn't limit objective. Turn on the ad creative and on the campaign setup screen and set is ads related the credit employment and blah blah blah. Also you can learn more. Okay, so if you are like finance and a lot of stuff like they're mentioned specific finance product and service, and you can select this one. Okay, so for that, but I will keep it like that. Okay, so benefit of, you can see here another option, benefit. I can click the categories your ad, so I can click the category. You can see finance and employment, housing, and I am not gonna learn, I'm not gonna go with this too much because that's not related with my ads. So if you're housing, you can select that. Okay, so I will keep it as it is. Okay, so like for example your housing, you can click here, so I can mention the country, region. I can specifically add any country. If you want, you can add country. So and let's countries, and let's add more country if you want, so it will be added here. Okay, so campaign details and buying options. So if you click the edit, so yeah, buying campaign action is awareness. So well, we have selected the awareness campaign, that's why they are mentioned that what is your advertisement action. So action. Okay, so I said that awareness. Okay, campaign sending limited, no none need edit. Campaign spending limit, so if you click here, then add spending limit, so you can spend, you can limit your spend. Like for example, I want to spend one, the campaign spending limit must be, oh okay, well this is the Bangla country Taka. So please 15 minutes, those are ads change, take effort after save them. Okay, so please allow 15 minutes for those change. Okay, so okay, fine. So right now we can see advantage campaign budget. Okay, so if you want to what about the advantage, describe your ads, cross ad sets, get more results. You can control spend on each ad set. So I don't want that because I want to spend one specific ad, and my and from this budget we'll spend our ads creative. Okay, so that's the thing. A/B testing, so help improve your performance by compare version to see what about your best, and for the query, and each one will be show the separate group of your audience. So you can turn on turn off, that's depend on you. So you can I specifically mention daily budget of your ad. You can also mention the lifetime budget. So that's the advantage campaign budget. Okay, so if you turn off, and then you will see all this thing gone. Okay, so let's turn on, and then I will daily budget, I want to spend like 500 taka in the Bangladeshi country. So and if you see that this is the Bangladeshi country, and then if you want to make it USA, I will show you also. So or suppose I want to do everything, but I want to show you exactly how we solve specific problem. So by the end of the day, if you face any problem, so that you can solve by yourself. Okay, so let's click here, and from here how to, you can search something like how to change currency on Shopify, not Shopify. Shopify popular platform, that's why they are showing popular Shopify Facebook ads. Okay, so you can watch some specific. They are said that go to the navigation and go to the currency and click the section change currency. So go to navigation. So okay, I will show you there should have option. So I have to go to the settings, then navigation, store currency, all tools. If I click here, and then I will see option, I will find out more later on, but for now I will continue with that. Okay, so yeah, A/B testing, I will keep it like that, and I have to show our ads name, ads creative done. First of all, ad campaign done. So now we are in ad set, so I will make my ad set CREATIVEWEBW. So if you are really excited to know about Creative Web Boost, you can search online, then you will see my agency, that you can see this one, Creative Web Boost, and then you can learn more about my agency if you have a time. But if you don't have a time, you can continue with our video. So this is my agency, we are helping like dental, roofing, solar, and e-commerce business. Okay, so I will talk about later. So let's go to our ads. KDY boost ad set. First ad set. Okay, so awareness. Okay, so performance goals, maximize reach of people. So meta ads will try to show your ads as many as people. So every 99% people exactly select the maximize reach, so I will keep it like that. And then you can learn more about that. They are also meta mentioning that you will try to show your ads as many as people time as possible. Okay, so this is the maximum number of impression, so that will show, that will reach, and that will be impression. Maximize ads uh, recall lift. Okay, so we will show your ads people who likely remember seeing them. Okay, so video goals and a lot of stuff. Okay, so maximum third play views, we will try to show your video ads people. If you are a video, if you're running video ads, you can select one of them. And like for example, we will try to show your video ads to people who will match your entire video when they are shorter than 650 seconds. Okay, so for long videos we will try to show it to people who likely watch at least 50 second 15-second video. Maximum for 2 second continuous play video. So we will try to show your video ads to people who likely watch two continuous second or more. Most 2 second continuous video plays, we will show at least 50% video pixel on the screen. Okay, so that the I will select this one, maximization of rich conversation. So cost per goal, so this highest doesn't have the cost per results goal. So meta will spend your entire budgets most 1000 impression using the highest volume bit strategy. So if you click the show more option, then you will see more option. So dynamic ad creative, so if you turn off, and then I will show that it will automatically create combine of your meta media and text that audience is likely response. Okay, so if you click here, so let's, and here also some how to create dynamic ads. So you can provide creative element and such as the images and headline, and it will be used automatically generate variation for your audience and create variations such as the automatically cropping image and applying cursor and template depend on create elements and place selected. Some settings such as the send message and not yet available for this uses dynamic creative, so those settings will be disabled. Okay, so I'm not going to open that, I will keep it like that. So why I'm showing like that, so that if you face any specific problem, you can solve that by yourself. You don't have to hire again and again any freelancer. That's why I'm showing, or I'm reading all this stuff, so that you can understand how we solve and then how we do. And budget schedule, so for the budget schedule, I already mentioned the budget on the ad campaign, first one. So the budget campaign was like $500, 500 taka, not dollar. So you can set a specific time, schedule time, I will keep it like that. Audience, so we can control audience, custom audience. So if you have any custom audience, like if you don't have a setup pixel, then you're not gonna see custom audience, I will keep it like that. And add exclusion, so if I click here, and then you can you can target more. Okay, so for example, the first audience, custom audience, I have selected one pixel, like for example, who purchased last 50 day. And the second one, I will select another audience. Okay, so that's the thing, that this way exactly we can use. So actually who are let's one following. Okay, so this is the same one. Okay, so if I click the new custom audience, we can a website, we can create our custom source, a lot of stuff. Exactly, we can select Instagram account. Yeah, you can explore by yourself. And daily detail targeting, so if you click the edit, so we can also control age, location. So if you click the edit location, then you can specifically add like for example, if I click the browser, I can control like United States, UNI that USA. I want to target whole USA, so let's search the whole USA. No, or I can also mention like any code, like zip code. If you mention any zip code, and then it there will show countries. Like for example, I want to target India, so India. Okay, so let's target the India, and if I search it, then you can see India include exclusive. Okay, exclusive and India. And then you can see mention the zip code also, you can mention here. Okay, so now you can see we can target like with the, and there also mentioned the postal code, zip code section is unavailable. Location section must be including all area within the 15 million radius of any selected city. Okay, so or address independent pin. Okay, so like for example, let me give you an example, so you don't be say that hey you can't do anything, because I am showing using ChatGPT, because if you're not trying to not learn AI, by the end of the day you will be go behind, your competitor will go very top, because they're learning every time how to use AI properly, to create a banner like 2 or 3 years ago, to we have to pay, we paid a graphic designer like $20 to $50 per banner. So right now in one click we can create a banner. So that's the power of AI. So if you cannot learn AI, by the end of the day you're not gonna be able to learn a lot of things. That's the main thing. So let's mention it what it is. Explain this. Explain this. So ChatGPT can explain us, so we can learn from great questions. This one of the most important limitation of understand when you are running ads under the specific ad categories like financial, product, and housing, employment. Let's break down. So what does postal zip code is code section is unavailable means, normally in Facebook ads you can target specific zip code like this one. Okay, so or including exclude a very specific um negotiators. Okay, but if your campaign is special ad categories like finance or house, you can't do any anymore. Okay, so we cannot finance and housing we can't anymore, so we cannot target like with the zip code if we select finance and housing. Okay, and there's the next one which is like, anyway, so what's the 15 million radius rule? So instead of zip codes or um ta- tightly target area, you must use border location targeting, specifically like 15 million radius around like a city, a full address, a pin drop of maps. You cannot make radius similar 15 million minutes. So why does matter at this? So you can like explore this, and if you are a different location, or like for example I am in Bangladesh, right? So I can write in Bangla, so ChatGPT can write Bangla for that. If you are from India, you can write in HI Hindi. If you are United States, if you are whatever your country, you can mention your specific and specific country. ChatGPT gonna write for you. Okay, so I will learn from here. Okay, so if needed. So that's the main thing, guys. Let's moving forward. So I hope you understand about that. So we can target any specific age. Like suppose I want to target from 20 age from 50. Okay, let me scroll down. Yeah, 50. So I want to target age 20 to 50. If you hover over and you can learn more about that, I think that's not a learning thing. So we can also target like gender specific, man, woman, all. So I'm gonna target if you click the man, it will target the man, and here's the details targeting. If you click here, then you can demonstrate interested behavior, you can browse it, and then you can see their interested meanings, their action, performance alert, and advertising marketing. They are interesting stuff. Okay, so you can see like if you are clicking on women, you can also do that. Like if you click the browse, you can interested, they're interested in advertising marketing, they're interested in advertising marketing agency, they're interested in apartment guide, they're real estate, their apartment list, real estate, lot of things. Like this is very specific and targeting, right? And if you click the all, and you can also like control their details targeting like behavior interesting, the behavior meanings like behaviors, mobile device user, and all mobile device, you can like, that's very specific. Like if you want to learn, that's never gonna be end, so you have to continue scroll, and you can learn more about that. Like if you have to, if you're a travel agency, if you are what travel related business, you can scroll travel, and then you can explore like travel, like communicators and frequent travelers and frequent international traveler, lot of thing. And here you can see mention their size. Okay, so if you specifically click here, then it will be added here. If you can also like you can also add more educational related thing, study, and lot of thing you can add from here. Let's browse again, and you can add more as much as you want. So I hope you understand your detail targeting. I'm not gonna make any specific, so I can miss any a lot of like customer. Okay, so in the language you can select any specific language, like for example, if I want to Bangla, I can target any Bangladeshi country. So let's find out Bengali. You can see Bengali. This ad only show to Bengali. Okay, and here's the placement. Choose where your ad appears. Course Meta Technologies. Learn more. If I click the learn more, and then I will see the option here. So in many cases we recommend running your ads cross Meta Technology. This give you delivery system more flexible to get more and better results. We call it different place. We can show you ads placement. Okay, so if I click the ads placement, like advantage plus ads placement, use Facebook ad placement, it will maximize your budget, helps to show your ads more people, and Facebook delivery system will all look at an ad sets budget across multiple placement based on where they likely performs best. Okay, manual if you click the manual, and then you can target manual. Okay, so you could get better results, advantage plus placement. So let's keep it like that. And yeah, if I click the show more, I will see more options as I want, like inventory filter. If I click the edit, I'm exactly moving all this stuff so that you can learn, you can do it by yourself. Yeah, one of the client I said that, hey, I'm really tired to hire a freelancer again and again and again, and I don't know one simple thing. I have to hire a developer, I have to hire a freelancer, I have to hire a like a lot of things. Okay, so that's the main thing. That's why I'm moving all these steps so that you can exactly understand who I am, what is the work of these tools, what is that, what is the those. Okay, so you can see if I click the inventory filter, applications only, Facebook and in-stream video ads on Facebook Reels and current example. Okay, you can explore. This is like self-explanatory. If you read them, and then you can explore that. Okay, so public block list. Okay, so if we click the edit, so you don't have any publisher block list. To create a publisher block list, you can create here, and then you can learn more from here. You can, this is very self-explanatory, you can learn by yourself. Okay, that's the thing. So I will click the next. I will keep it like that, and I will make it like like before, and let's make it hide that. Okay, so perfect guys, you can see finally I did that. So okay, so this is the content type of exclusion and the topic exclusion for Facebook and Steam videos. You can explore from here. So that's the thing. Now let's moving forward. So click the next, and then it will take to our ad sets. I will give my ad set name like creative web, create TIBWEB asset. I can duplicate it, I will show you later. So create a template. So yeah, I will show you later also. Partnership ad. Okay, so let's talk about that partnership app. Running ads with creator brand and others business. Those ads will feature both identities in the header. So I will, if I open it, let's see what happened. And you can say post and enter the postcode and info. So if I click here, I will be able to post URL and something like that. I can also mention here, I can Instagram feed and post URL, and it will show here. Okay, so I will turn off and partnership ads. So you can add like you can show others partners, others people ads, run ads, creator brand and others business. You can also mention other business post and then you can see select from your partner post URL and code, or search specific post by ID or URL. You can do it by yourself. I will turn off, I don't need any partnership. So identity, choose the Facebook Instagram account ad will be crossed with. So you can see business measure page, I have connected the page here, and this is the business measures Instagram account I also connected here. So this is the creative ad. So this is the use existing post, I will create ad. Okay, so if you have existing post, you can click here, and then you can choose your existing post from your page. Okay, so create post, select post. You can, if you click the select post, it will show you all the previous post. Okay, There's a thing. Let's do cut it and let's go to the ad created. Okay, so single image banner, so you can do single image banner or video carousel and collection. Okay, so instead experience options has moved. Now you can add a specific experience on your ad is a new demonstrate section below. You can click the add media. Let's, if you have a image, like for example I like this image, so let's select this and this. Okay, I can see that. Let's remove it. Instagram image, business measures image, so let's take this one and let's continue. And you can see it's showing on the mobile, it's showing original, and this is the results. It's showing different type of device and apps, reels, it will show like that. And the system video and reels search result will be like that. Okay, so I will go to the next. And then primary text, tell people like need, let's grow, how to grow your business with creative WBBWS creative web boost. That's my text. And another option, if I click the another option, and I can add more I can add more add text. Okay, so that's the thing. And let's add a demonstration. If you add demonstration, if you can send people immediately after they click and add website and full screen experience or both. If you don't they will be sent to Facebook page and Instagram account. Okay, so if I click here and then chat with us options like chat with us, book a call, book a call. Okay, something like that. Let's click the next and I will see my ads here. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. I can show you the desktop view like that, mobile, and this is the this is maybe tablet maybe. Okay, so what is that? So your ad won't, what is that? Your ad won't deliver placement. Please please in stream video deliver your Facebook ads video placement, change your creative or video on audience network and native Facebook video feed. Okay, so I will do it later. Okay, fine. So share link. So if I click share link of, and I can copy specific link. Okay, so let's 30 days. This link will available 30 days. Let's copy it and let's close it. And if I place it different place, let's see what happen. And maybe there will show my ads. Oh, first of all I have to log in. Okay, so someone else will be able to see your images ad, something like that. Okay, let's select that and let's and a demonstration. So where I want to keep whenever someone click my ad, I want to take it my website. I want to move the ads website, that is called Creative Web Boost. Let's copy that and let's go to the Facebook and let's paste it. Okay, so display link, learn more, learn more. Okay, so let's see the preview ad. I can see preview ad. The ads will be delivered and 15 placement Facebook ads. Okay, I will do it later. So okay, so let's continue with the call messaging, something like that. Media I have added. So headline, our ad headline I will add grow your business with creative PATIWWST. Description, I will paste this one. You can add your own description and then call to action. I will apply now, book a call, something like that. And even details, I will language of tracking. For now we didn't set up any pixel, so your placement URL. Okay, so let's click the publish. If I click the publish, it will be published. Okay, so save error. So there may be some specific problem, I will fix it later on the another video. You can see it's link caption, not URL, link data caption not your URL. Okay, so guys, yeah, that's the thing. I will fix another video. So if I fix this video, if problem fix this here, so it will be too much long and add previews. So yeah, that's the main thing. Verify your URL. They are saying that my URL isn't correct, so let's do it. Okay, so the preview URL working well. So browser add-ons none, WhatsApp. Link data URL not URL. What the issue? I can mention ChatGPT. Why? What? What the issue? So ChatGPT can explain me. Okay. The arrows is caption URL usually post up is your creative editing Facebook including a website link. You have accidentally entered the text in a URL. Oh, sorry. So what I did here, so I actually mention display link. Display link will be also this one. Entire link to show your ad. Perfect, it's working well. So you are solved. Okay, so if I go to the preview, I don't need that. So if I go to the preview, then I will see my ad here. Okay, so book a call here, book a call. It will show on the story and all the looks here. Okay, so let's click the save. Yeah guys, finally verify your changes. Let's see what happened. Not creative assets for the degree freedom enable ads, so there should be at least. So let's copy this and ask ChatGPT. Why? What is that? What is that? So you can see what's there's a great question. There are errors technical show you running dynamic creative ads and bless JSON template. So error explain not enough creative assets for the degrees freedom and enable ads and should be at least one DFT field on the feed specific has more assets. So what it means, like you are trying to create ads degrees freedom and enable, so Meta is trying to dynamically mix match elements. So but you only, okay, so I will learn more about that. Maybe I have to do some specific code. If you are a JSON feed in the assets feeds specific URL and multiple assets like that. Okay, example of image and apply now. Okay, so okay, I understand. So that's not a big problem. That's verifying your chance. Okay, so finally you can see we have done, we can add a lot of things. So basically I am trying to show, I tried to show you all the stuff which you don't know, and also I showed you that how to solve a specific problem. That's the thing. So if I click the publish, oh, I didn't add any payment method, so whenever I will add the payment method, I will if I click the publish. Okay, so that's the main thing. So guys, that it was our video. So if you like this video, please subscribe, and then if you want to learn more about ads, our ads expert, I'm not ad expert, I'm a website designer, so I'm just showing so that you can exactly understand so how awareness campaign work. So if you contact, book a call with us, and then I will connect with our ads expert with you, and then he gonna talk with you, and then he gonna explore everything whatever you need. Okay, so that's the main thing. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.